Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Isha Styles, and I am doing a small seafood mukbang aftermath of video number 5. Yes, I did the rest of my shrimp that I had left over in the freezer. I cooked those today. Let me do a thumbnail. As I said earlier, on a prior video of my micro converting from jumbo plats to my micros, I finished the front part of it. I'm not done. I got so much to do today, so I just knocked out 2 videos in one. So that's what's going on right now. I'm still on my own channel watching videos. I got the eggs. It's sauce, y'all. I got the eggs. I got the shrimp. I got the mussels. I got the clams. I got my favorite potatoes. I only got I had 3 small potatoes, so I cut it into 3s, so I wouldn't get full fast. But it's a good thing. It's a very good thing. Look at that. And I put my stuff in the sauce. It's like my own seafood boil bag. Oh my god, y'all. If only y'all can taste this. Look at that. Ooh, look at that green mussel. Yes. Shout out to the newlyweds, the Hamptons. Congratulations, you guys, on your wedding. I love you guys. You came a long way. Praying for more to come, especially my little niece. I'm just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there. Another one of my little siblings, one of my sisters, got married. Congratulations to my sister Romy Bandrina on her marriage, although I'm late, but shout out. And my niece Kylie. Shout out to my little nephew Anton. You're a trooper. Just know that Auntie loves you, and I want you to feel better, get better. My little nephew broke his arm Tuesday and had to have surgery done, and the surgery went well. And I just want him to know that Auntie loves you so much, and you stay strong. We're gonna be 2 people using 1 arm. It's awesome. Okay. I'm already getting full and I just started. Like, this is so embarrassing. Y'all, these green shell mussels definitely worth it. And much bigger than the other ones. I just need some of this juice. Yes. It's so tender. Eat your shell. I got shell inside of my mussel. And these clams, only if you like shellfish like that. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that are picky about what they eat or what they can't eat. I understand the ones who are allergic to it. I've been eating seafood all my life, and I just can't stop. I noticed that when I eat crabs and stuff, sometimes I break out into hives, and I'm like, no, I can't be allergic to my favorite food. What is happening? But I still be grabbing on it, y'all. I do. That's the only allergic reaction that I have is, you know, the hive. So as long as it's not messing with my breathing, throat closing and stuff like that, I'm good. I can suck it up. I gotta get some water because I am sweating. I don't know if it's the sauce or what. And that water it always hits the spot. I got little clams that have fallen out their shell in the bowl, so that's what I'm eating. I was sitting here contemplating, how did I get 5 shrimp? Oh, okay, I had 4 in the freezer. Look at these things. I mean, just look at it. It's the size of my palm. It's the size of my palm. Wow. This is a baby lobster. I took them out just in time. Oh, it's so tender. Oh. It's so tender. Look at it. Oh, it looked like a whole lobster, y'all. Oh my God. I still got meat in there. Oh, they're so tender. I think I let them boil a little too long before, so they get a little rough when you eat them. But shrimp don't take that long to cook. So next seafood mukbang, I gotta remember, just put the shrimp in there, not too long. They can be super tender. Cause these things are tender. It's awesome. Ouch. I think I'm gonna end up turning into seafood. What would I be if I died and came back? Oh gosh. A crawfish. I'm not even gonna quote why I just said that. But for those who know, you know why I said it. Yes, I rewarmed my sauce from the last video, and I poured it right over my seafood after I took it out the boil. Amazing. I'm full already. Empty. I'm full already. And that was my second shrimp. Got all my seasoning in my shells. Look at that. That's huge. It's huge. Okay. I got 3 shrimp left. Let me see if I can make it. I don't think I can make it, y'all. So I've ate clams. I've ate an egg. 2 shrimp. 3 potatoes. Baby potatoes. Because the red small baby potatoes about that big. And I cut it up. What else I have? So mussels, potatoes, an egg, because the other one is in the bowl, 2 shrimp, and clams. And a gulp of water. I think you also get full too by slurping up this sauce. Because it's liquidy, so probably plays a role in it. It's so tender, you guys. I'm stuffed. Oh God. Can I do it? Can I do it? Oh gosh. Hold on, I need some water. Water break. Okay, it's moving it down. Oh, excuse me. Some people will be like, oh, that's so rude to burp. Listen, don't get ahead of yourself, okay? Everybody is human. Everybody goes to the bathroom and do number 1, number 2. Everybody burps. You know, everybody passes gas. Stop acting like, you know, people aren't human and they can't do it. Okay, you're watching us on camera, you know, so what do you expect? Are we supposed to stop the video just to burp or whatever and then start back recording? Like, It's natural. It's normal. You're drinking. Liquids are going down your body. That's like you drinking oh, excuse me. You're drinking a Pepsi. Excuse me. Any type of acid, you're going to burp. It's natural. It's normal. You know what I mean? And at least we're saying excuse us after we burp. I seen some of the people like attacking Miss B Lovely on her in her comments. Oh, you think you're so grand now, you got money, you don't even have manners, you burping and smacking. Now I think you're just smacking on purpose and eating out. Like, if you don't like what she's doing, then don't click on her video. It's as simple as that, you know. Like, it's crazy the negative stuff that people can point out, you know, before the positive stuff. Be positive sometimes. Does it hurt you to be positive or just look at it on the bright side? Like, Jesus. Everybody's so judgmental, but when you get to that point where you're standing before God, let's see what He tells you. Stop being so judgmental. Jesus. It's natural. You poop, you pee, you burp, you pass gas. It's natural. If you're human, it's natural. Get over it. It's crazy. So her doing videos and belching makes her a different person. How you know that that's not how the lady was eating and stuff before she became a YouTuber? Seriously. Get a life. Talking with your mouth full of food is supposed to be rude too. There's a lot of things that is rude. But do people still do it? Yes. Yes. And if you say excuse me or I'm sorry, you want that person to accept your excuse or your apology, right? Okay, well, she belched. She said excuse me. And then keep going. Duh. I ain't got time. You want to eat my food? Enjoy it. Y'all enjoy it with me. For those who are subscribed and love to watch, I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. I had an egg left. I don't even think I'm going to touch it. I'm done. My bowl with everything else is empty. I'm good. I'm good. I'm done. I finished everything I had to. So I can go finish my hair. For all of you guys who are subscribed, new subscribers, old subscribers, family, friends, associates, clients, I love you guys. I thank you so much for your support. Keep watching my journey as I grow. I never forget about anybody. I always thank and appreciate anybody who has helped me, reached out, you know, anything. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And once we start doing bigger things and involving more people, if you want to join me, let me know. We can make things happen. If you guys want me to try something, comment below. Let me know. I am here for you. Thank you, because without your views, without your likes, without your comments, none of us YouTubers would be who we are. And it's easy. Pick up your camera, pick up your phone, record whatever you like, edit it, upload it. You can do it too. It's not just any certain people. Anybody can do it. up to you. I love you guys. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and continue to watch. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.